Hello guys, Ankush here. Welcome back to my channel Fight to Life. It's a very hot Sunday today. It's extremely hot, 32-degree here in Bangalore. But seems like 100-degree outside. If you can see, I'm already sweating a lot. There is total lockdown put down on Sundays here in Karnataka. So the roads are completely ghosted. There's nothing on the streets. There is something very exciting happening in my kitchen right now. Watch the video till the end to see what it is. For everyone who are worrying about the fried food which I'm eating, sometimes it's okay, it's just family time, you spend time with your family, you eat the food you want, and then it's not fight season, so it'll do, it doesn't matter for me right now. Good news is we have reached 300 subscribers. All thanks to you guys, the family is growing and you guys are the best. I know the sound quality was subpar because I was using the inbuilt microphone which is present in the camera. I have ordered a new mic which is a Boya MM1 mic. I'm really excited about it. It's coming really soon. Alright guys, this is up for today. I'm gonna come with really interesting contents in the coming videos and then I'm gonna start training really soon. Thank you for watching guys. Much love from this side. Hail Fight to Life.